We owe a debt of gratitude to the planners of decades ago who placed this library in such a beautiful setting. More than 40 years later, we celebrate this splendid, expanded, renovated building. When you get inside in a few minutes, the building and its floor-to-ceiling view of the park will, and did for me, take your breath away. Within this renovation, we are better able to offer 21st century information services to the residents of McLean. We can offer a comfortable, state-of-the-art building that meets the needs of new generations of Fairfax County residents. You will find access to thousands of items, professional research help, programs for adults and children of all ages, electric information resources, student homework support, and much more. Welcome to the grand reopening of a building that has weathered the changes of 4 decades. Welcome to a community institution, the 21st century Dolley Madison Library, and thank you to everyone who made it possible. Congratulations.